Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stephanie. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So yes, today I'm bringing you a couch talk with my friend. Today's episode is a Nigerian versus Ghanaian. You see how I put Nigeria first? So Nigerian versus Ghanaian. So it's a couch talk with my friend, but you know, don't worry, you have to watch to the end. Make sure you watch to the end because you want to be here to see when the dragging begin and is about to go down. I'm going to be doing this episode with my friend Jackie. She's also a YouTuber. Tea Tuesday with Jackie. So yeah, so I told you it's a Ghanaian, it's a Nigeria versus Ghana. I don't like the way that I'm putting Ghanaian first because like if they are first, they are eligible to win it. So it's Nigerian versus Ghanaian. So yes, give a round of applause to my friend Jackie. Anyways, so my friend is Jacqueline. She's from Ashanti, but I'll let her introduce herself because you know, let's give her the privilege.
Hi guys, my name is Jacqueline, and this is my Nigerian friend.
You don't know my name?
This is the Nigerian girl.
Okay. We started already.
Hey, you're putting Nigeria before Ghana. It's supposed to be Ghana. This is Nigeria.
I don't think
Let me just leave this right here. I'm Jacqueline, and I'm also a YouTuber. And my YouTube name is Tea Tuesday with Jackie. Please follow me. Leave this Nigerian alone. Come and listen to words of wisdom now. Babes. You know me and Nigerians are like this, but this girl, she's making me disown Nigerians, right? I will disown you people.
Don't worry, I will represent. Don't worry.
Yeah, everybody should represent their own.
Yeah.
You should have told me I would have won. I need to go and bring my Ghana flag.
I don't know why I don't have Nigerian flag, but you know.
Are you a Nigerian? Are you sure you're Nigerian?
But we'll be wearing Nigerian flag.
But you're not representing your country enough.
Don't worry. I'm about to represent you guys. So, where do we start? This is the story time. Let's say how I met this troublesome girl. This girl is very troublesome, but it's like my first experience of Ghana. So, I don't know if I would say it's good or if it's bad, but I'm in managing zone with Ghanaians. So, because this one is literally partially representing. So I think it's my channel, so I will let her start on how we met.
Why should I start?
Because we're introducing you, so let's give you so that I don't overshadow. You know, all of you have to trust me. So let's give her the.
What if you are lying? Hey, I don't know Nigerians, but I know you people that you people are lying.
Okay, but my YouTubers know I'm not a liar. Yeah,
they don't know about that. It's me and you now. I know you.
They trust me. They know.
Okay, so I don't know where I should start from.
Where did we even meet?
You don't know where you met me.
I don't know where not chemistry. I did not have chemistry class with you.
We met in math class.
Yeah, statistics. I was a good girl.
This girl was always late.
Jesus.
She was late. You know what's funny? With me, anywhere I go, I make sure I look out for my Africans. So this guy walks in with her long skirts. I don't know whether she wanted to be a Roman sister. I'm like, So she sat in front of me, and I knew she was Nigerian because when I know my people now. I know my Africans. I stand for Africa.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
So after the class, we didn't even say much. She just left. The next class was late again.
You're liar.
I was late.
It's not about.
She was
Jesus,
late.
I don't even know how to.
But I had saved that seat for her. The seat in front of me. I saved it for her.
In that class, literally everybody already knows their seat from the first day. So even if you did not save it, somebody knows that somebody is there because everybody is starting the same seat till that class finished.
Who told you?
It's not about
you're always late. Somebody would have sat there. So I make sure to put my bag there for her. So when she came, she was like, "Thank you." The Nigerian girl was late. She was late. I thought Ghanaians were but Nigerians are bad.
It's not about being late. It's about
let me say some Nigerians, because I've not really met a lot, but I know Nigerians. if she's representing Nigeria, then I should put it in that contest. And Nigerians are bad.
No, that's not
worse.
No, it's not. But anyway, I met this girl. She was nice, but I've always known that there is one psycho.
Ghanaians are
There's
nice.
psycho about
Ghanaians are nice.
There's psycho in her. So I think the first time I actually get to talk to her, apart from the 7-6 parts, was I wanted to snap. Hey, yes, I wanted to snap a picture that day, and the girl was hiding her face. I don't know. I was like, this girl is not even that, and she wasn't even that fine that time. She has really. Hey. She wasn't that fine, but she have touched up a little bit.
You know, when you wake up, you have to call me on FaceTime because you have not met any fine girl. You have not seen any fine girl.
I'm telling you, that girl was not that fun, and I was trying to snap picture because if you know me, you know that I'm always on my camera and ready to go. So I was trying to snap picture, and the girl was hiding her face. I'm like, what is wrong with this girl?
Nigeria they carry life, but this time me Ghana. I'm hiding which face? This my face.
She's always hiding her face. I'm like, show your face.
This was $1 million.
So that's actually when we started talking, and from there she was actually nice in school. She was helpful. She was helpful because she helped me with chemistry class.
Let's take it back to the math class. I did not know she was really good in math. One day I copied her. Let me say it. Hey, I did not learn anything. But this Nigerian girl was ready. They say Nigerian know they carry last.
Yeah.
True. She was ready. I will give this to you.
Yeah.
The way I copied her.
So that maths class was okay, but I think Nigerians are generally good at maths.
I don't know about that one.
I think Nigerians are generally good at maths.
It's an African thing. Cause me like this, if you ask me something right now, let's say don't bring that, but bring money. Bring money maths.
Yes.
You know that maths. I have one friend Debbie. You're really good with maths. No,
I'm good with money.
That's what I'm saying.
When we have to calculate our money, we have time.
If you take it to that book one, SY, find X. Which X am I finding? I don't get S to be defined.
Yeah, generally.
Find Z. When it's money.
Yeah, we are in. We are in when it's money.
I copy that. You know what? When there was one Ghanaian girl too to my.
Yes,
right. I also passed.
It was an L.
I passed it to her.
But that class was nice.
We need to help each other.
Yeah.
And then
biology
help.
Yeah,
I snooped this girl into my chemistry because she did not even register.
Yeah, that was very helpful.
I like to pay for stuff.
Are you serious?
Like cheating. You think they like
No. That one actually happened is that there was an option not to take the class. So and then
because you like cheap stuff, you decided not to take that class.
No. If you have a way to save money, there is no good in wasting.
You know what's funny? I had to be sneaking her in, like we are going to steal. You had to be.
But there is no need to waste. So I didn't want to waste money and register for classes I didn't need.
But you ended up coming.
There was opportunity for me to utilize the class, so why not? But anyway, she was helpful, and she was even helpful with my biology. I know they will take the exam before, let's not spill juice that the school will hold us for. Let's leave that one.
If you need the details, you come to our social media.
You follow us
we'll give you
on our social media platform, and we'll give you the gist.
That one we'll leave it for now.
Yeah, but so far so good. It was nice.
So when you see us outside, you don't say, hey, these people, I don't know wash my dirty.
No. So first time when you met me, what do you think?
This guy used to like to go to the library a lot. So apart from the classroom, you will meet in the library.
That's the traits of calm girls.
Me, I'm not calm, but I was always in the library.
Thank God you know that you're not calm. That's why. So I would not come and lie and say, anything I'm telling you is the truth.
Me, I will not lie. The story time.
Yeah.
If you know me, those who know me, I say it as it is. I'm never calm. If you see me anywhere, don't think I'm calm. I'm never. Maybe I want to be calm in that moment, but I am never calm.
Thank you.
But I was in the library too. So how do we know?
Because I drag her sometimes to the library.
To go and do what?
I drag her sometimes to the library.
How can you drag a crazy person around? People also say
I'm trying to help this girl's life so I can help her make A's. So I was dragging her to the library.
She's
so most of the time she's in the library, I'm with you there. Because most of the time students will be in the library. Oh my God, it's even the worst thing that happened to you to go in the library with these people. Because
which one is this?
We are not
acknowledge us.
She and her Ghanaian friends, the group of Ghanaians that I went to school with, is you don't want to read if you go to the library with them because they stay there and make noise and chat and call. She's talking rubbish on
the language. You say not learn.
And be speaking Ghanaian. And that's the bad habit. Why do Ghanaians do that thing?
Do what?
Like you will be with them and they keep speaking Ghanaian, and they know that there is somebody in there that is not Ghanaian, and you just be talking. I think that's a bad habit.
Let me tell you something. Ghana, we love everybody. That's why we have a big sign. It says Akwaba, which means welcome. I've been always telling you. Let me teach you the language.
I tried to.
You say you will not teach me Igbo.
But you learnt Igbo anyway.
You are not teaching me.
No. The ones I taught her, she learnt.
She did not teach me anything. Her big sister.
But somebody.
That one is actually my anthem. I don't even think that one they play. Okay. She's teaching me.
At least somebody is teaching her.
This doesn't want to learn Ghanaian language, but he wants to be in the midst of Ghanaians. When we get there, we want to speak our language now.
I think it's a bad habit.
Why is it a bad habit? Like you want me to take somebody have you seen a white person Igbo?
I'm not saying that you shouldn't speak Ghanaian to Ghanaian, but when
there's one Nigerian, some of them because it's just one Nigerian.
Some of them will be, you know that I'll be in the middle. This one will say, it's like, you know, I'm here, like guys, I'm here.
Listen, let me tell you one thing. What if we are talking about you? Why should we speak the language for you to understand?
Because I know they're not talking about me.
What we were saying this,
but I want to be fine. Be in the conversation too.
When we are saying you are not fine, you want to be with fine people. Why should we tell you?
I know that I was fine. And many of them, when they see me, they will say, oh, this guy.
Because you know me, so they want to be nice.
Igbo is a fine girl.
Jacqueline's Nigerian friend, let us be nice to her. You say, fine girl. When we switch to the chill language, oh, get out. But for my Ghanaians.
I don't think that speaking our language like Igbo or Ghanaian to fellow Ghanaian or fellow Nigeria is wrong. But when you have friends in the midst of, I think it doesn't, even if it can't be half. So
you're half. You have said it on because you know when
this guy is
if Ghana and Nigeria is like this, so you're half of Ghana.
This guy to me, but you know what I mean? Like sometimes we don't want to like be friends, and then
they don't know.
Then when
they don't know.
You know, some of them will mistakenly be speaking shit to me. I'm like, I'm Igbo. I'm not doing that.
They're telling you, come and join the big club.
But anyway,
the finest club, the fanciest.
Apart from that rubbish they do, they are actually nice. I've actually met a lot of Ghanaians that is nice people. So let's move this episode to another level. Now I'm going to be asking the question, and we hope that this Ashanti girl will answer honestly.
Let's see you.
Okay, so the question goes like this. Let's take music. Nigerian and Ghanaian, music wise, where are you on?
Where am I on as in what? Like, what do I listen to?
No. Which one makes it better? Which Nigerian and Ghanaian music?
Which music? We have genres.
Like
give me a genre.
Because
when it comes to high life,
Afrobeat is what Nigerians are mostly.
When it comes to high life, it's Ghana. High life, Nigerians don't do high life.
When it comes to rap, do high life. Which rap?
Which rapper do you know? Tell me a rapper in Ghana. Let me see if I know that person.
We have M.I.
I've heard of M.I.'s name before, but I don't even know one of his songs. You know Sarkodie? You know Sarkodie?
Sarkodie, does he rap?
Yes, you don't know Sarkodie is a rapper. This guy.
I don't even know.
So what do you know Sarkodie for? Sarkodie can.
Is he a chef?
I tell you Zakare is a chef.
He just does music. I know that he does music, but I don't think he's a rapper. I've not seen him rap exceptionally.
You. So I call you Patoranking.
Let's
go and listen.
Patoranking can rap too.
Which rap? He was singing there. When it comes to Africa,
can rap.
When it comes to Africa, the best rapper alive. That's the best rapper. Sarkodie. You already know. You know they come and tell.
Let's not go and pick gyros of music.
Let's just meet Nigerians. Let's live the high life and the rap to Ghana. That's it.
But Afrobeat is taking over the world, so they can hold their high life and their rap inside their Ghanaian office. We are taking the world.
It's taking the world in your house. Let me follow her. Let her not be, you know.
This guy is okay. Like my second question is that let's take your mom and say your mother is Nigerian. Ghanaian and Nigerian food. Which one do you like more? Because I don't know how I ask this question and it will not come out.
Carry me, they go where I don't know. They carry me.
Which one do you think is like? I don't want to say genuinely tell you to answer the question because I know that maybe there is no genuine in Ghanaian people.
Because you know what's funny? Because you know the answer. She wants to say if your mother was Nigerian.
I think that
from the if.
Seriously. Because
are you going to give that to me again? Are you a prophetess? You foresee the future?
Because
am I coming back again?
Can never be truthful when it comes to Nigerian food and Ghanaian food.
You know what's funny? Your Nigerians will know that it's you for them that don't like it.
Do you know that
a lot of Nigerian people that have eaten Ghanaian food that when they were eating it in the darkness, nobody was there. And their eyes are gushing out like
that's a lie. That's literally a lie. I will vote for my Nigerian brothers.
When they come out and say, how was the Ghanaian food? It was good though. It was okay. That's how you know they are lying. Me, I've eaten a lot of Nigerian food. We go to parties.
Lie. This girl, listen. I think that's the problem. You know the problem is that Nigerians are good at. Nigerians are actually the only people that can tell the truth about this Nigerian food and Ghanaian food because Nigerians actually are open to new things. They're open to testing new things. They're open to
listen.
They're eating new food.
Let me tell you something. Wait.
See, I've gone to a lot of Ghanaian things and I've ate their food. Even the ones I would tell myself that never I will not eat. But you know, because so that you know, they say when you go to Ghanaians act like when you go to Egypt act like Egyptian.
Go to Rome.
So when I
the Ghanaian food that you were telling them, you came to tell me, I've come to the event. Why are they not serving me? Because I see that jollof is looking like so delicious.
This guy is a liar.
And I'll just say,
this guy is a liar.
So I got to visit her, please, she's Nigerian. And I'll say it in tree, please, I beg, give her something for me. And they will give me.
This guy is a liar.
You open your legs right and sit on it.
This guy is a liar.
Ghanaian food. One of these days, if it's not that you.
It's good, but I don't understand how you guys make fufu with that soup and like.
When I say it to my local language, when I say this in Latin, it comes out better in your ears. It sounds better. Let me put it in English. Let her know. Oh Lord, save me!
And Nigeria, a lot of soup, but what can you put?
Wait, which soup?
We have